5,000 pesos. When the grand champion will receive 15,000 pesos and a huge trophy from the tourism office. Pero ang una natong ihatag ang premyo ang second prize. Tapos, will eventually go to the grand champion. Tapos, ang trophy, dili pa rin ang trophy, vice. Okay, salamat ka. Sorry po.
Marong na kanino ang ako kayo,
Ano
tarawa.
yung kunin?
Klaro, ako.
I will now reveal to you the grand champion. Ladies and gentlemen, the group will receive 15,000 pesos and a huge trophy. The cultural dance presentation grand champion coming from the region of
Mindanao!
Mindanao! Which means our second place at is Luzon, Cananda 1. So we would like to request Dr. Jasmine Pisa on behalf of the Cananda District want to receive the prize. We have and you will receive
Nakuwas tiya na eh!
5,000 pesos. Sayaw, Mindanao! Sige, tapos kanin sa ringil. Na, ingon si Ma'am April, dako ko itong bahin ang nagtinikling. Kaya ako na'y hazard pay. Oo, okay. Kung na, simpa kong recipient to, usa kasi manang nag-duty sa school. So, blended learning. So, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, the grand champion, Cananda District 2! O, kayong lahat daw, kayong lahat sa stage. Kabong na rin sa stage.
Ay, at mo! Picture boy! Dagan! Dagan, ay! Dagan!
Wait, huwag mo muna aalis kaya we still have to listen to a closing message. Once again, congratulations, Mindanao!
Hoy, Marta, paano yun? Wait, sinila! Sapa! Sa nabilin! Dagan! Sapa din nauli!